Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Venery Global Consultancy. Friends, in this video we will discuss about graduate school IST internship program in Austria. This is fully funded scientific internship program especially for medical students. We will discuss in details. So before discussing in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can easily receive all important upcoming videos. So let's discuss in details. Here I have opened scientific internship program in Austria. Around the year, this internship program you can apply for this. Students who are either pursuing or have obtained a bachelor's or master's degree in the natural or computer sciences, mathematics or any related discipline are eligible to apply for this scientific intern position at ISTA. A scientific intern can be appointed for a period of up to 1 year. Candidates are selected by the head of research group, professor or assistant professor, and the appointment is subject to the availability of sufficient funds for the salary of the scientific intern and formal approval of the academic affairs division. Applications are accepted for this internship program on a continuous basis, and those interested in an independent scientific intern position at ISTA should contact the respective group leader directly. How you have to apply for this internship program? Here you can see in red notification, not all research groups are able to accept an intern. We only take complete applications into consideration, including one applicant's CV and number 2, a short motivation letter stating why their profile and research interest make the group's research topic. Incomplete and irrelevant applications will not be processed. Due to the high volume of applications we receive, we only reply to selected candidates. Requirements for this scientific internship program are very easy. First, you should have your updated CV and you should have to make a short motivation letter in video, and you have to send according to your research interest. And if your academic background will be according to the internship, then you will be selected. ISTA offers scientific interns a minimum salary of 1,119 gross per month. They are paying a stipend 1,119 euros per month. It's too much to consume, or this amount is very huge amount to spend in Austria. ISTA does not charge any processing or application fee for any of its program at any stage, including scientific internships. There's no any application fees, just you have to apply online, and if your academic background is according to your choice or internship, then obviously you will be selected. What do faculty members look for? It is important for you to show passion and interest for the research topic of the group you are applying to. Having the relevant educational background is a must, while having transferable related research experience or technical skills and know-how would be a big benefit. You have to introduce yourself, that how much you are passionate and interested for this internship program. Application, how to apply? First, you should identify which research group you are most interested in working with. In order to find out about the range of research groups available, please browse. On this website you can find internship according to your research. Here you can see this is the official page: biology, chemistry and materials, computer sciences, data science and scientific computing, mathematics, neuroscience and physics. Then once you have found a research group you would like to work with, email the research group leader directly, remembering to including a short introduction to your background and your motivation to work with them, an attached CV in PDF format, listing relevant experience, education history, and possible dates for your internship. For your internship program, you have to select the dates that when you are available to do this internship program. Here, another note, not all research groups are able to accept an intern. Before applying, candidates should take a closer look to the research group's web pages to make sure their profile and research interests match the group's research topics. Application deadline is around a year, and this IST internship program does not charge any processing or application fees for any of its programs at any stage, including scientific internships. So this is the best opportunity for the students of especially natural science and computer and technology related departments, IT related. So go ahead and do apply for this internship opportunity. Further, if you have any question, you can ask me in comment box or you can directly contact me on Telegram group. So that's it in this video. See you soon in next video and take care.